Hello, welcome. Today we are ripping two temporal forces. See, if we get lucky. Hopefully, we'll see. Oh, it's pretty hard to rip for some reason. There you go. First pack. Feel lucky on this one. Let's see. Card. Okay, feeling pretty lucky. Let's see. Yamper. Oh, Goblin. Medichan. Conchino. Sableye. Great Tusk. Reverse Box Order. Reverse Chatot. Why? Why? Second pack. Oh, okay. Okay. Let's see. Oh no, I already see bad cards there. Oh, Sumeron, Yamper, Goblin, Metachan. Looks like the same pack. Great Tusk. Why? Oh, there you go. Delcatty, Explorer Sky, Reverse Polyphan, Reverse Solosus. Oh, 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 oh. Gengar EX. Let's go. Well, I'm gonna take this to get graded. Let's see where it comes to. Thank you.